Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great and I hope you're all keeping yourself safe.
Her Majesty, the Queen, Royal Highness. Yes, as you have known, this is a collaboration with my sister Beautarie, Tariro. So we're going to make this beautiful thing right here with the shoes. This is like sneaker. What, sneakers? No, hell no. Home shoes, whatever you call them. So what you're gonna need, you're gonna need rubber bands. You're gonna need something that you're gonna fabric that you're gonna use. You're gonna use tape measure. You're gonna use pins. I don't usually use them, but you're gonna need them. You're gonna need the safety pin because that's what you're gonna use for your bonnet, and you're gonna use scissors to cut your fabric. Also, you're gonna need fabric. Importantly, lining fabric too. You're gonna need a sewing machine. So to get started, I'm going to make the face mask first, the eyes mask first. During this COVID-19, you can't be say face mask, what, just say eye mask first. So I got this pattern online. It's so easy. You just go on Pinterest and just type what you need and download the pattern. It's so easy. Come on, guys. And it's free. You don't have to pay for it. So like I said, this is like collaboration with my sister. Tariro is from Zimbabwe. Beautarie is from Zimbabwe, and I'm from Botswana, and we are neighbors. And we have been friends since, if I'm not gonna lie, we have been friends since 2017, I think. I think so, because I think she sent me a message on my not 2017, 2016, I think, because 2017, that's when I lost my mom and I didn't do any videos. So I think it's 2016. That's when she sent me a message and we started talking and we became friends, and it's been a beautiful relationship afterwards. So now you're gonna sew around your pattern, like wrong sides together. You're gonna sew around your mask like so, like I'm showing you now. So like I said, she's been a friend since 2016 and we have been very good friends, and I've been really happy to see her grow because she has really grown. Tariro, she has, like, her channel has blown up, which is so amazing. And there's nothing else I can do but just to be happy for her, because she works hard for that channel. She works hard. This lady records videos left, right, and center. I'm like, I need strength like her. I need to be like her. I need to be eager to get it like her. But I was so depressed after I lost my mom, so I stopped recording anything, and I stopped doing anything for my YouTube channel and everything. Like I said before in my other videos, like I just lost it. But she has been really doing good. And if you don't mind, if you haven't subscribed to her, just go subscribe to her channel and see what beautiful things she has done. She has done a lot of amazing videos. Like, you should really go check her out. So after, like, I have sewn it, I turn it inside out and I put my rubber band and all the stuff. So in this collaboration, she's going to be doing the slippers and I'm going to be doing the bonnet and the eye mask. So you should go check how you can make the slippers from her channel, because that's what she already did, and I was just completing the collaboration by doing my part, which was face mask, eye mask, and a hair bonnet. And this, she was making this for her friend's birthday, which is such a beautiful thing to do. So you should go really check it out. And at the end of this video, you're gonna see what she made for her friend. It is so beautiful. I'm like, wow, I could buy this in a store. It's so beautiful. So you're gonna keep sewing like so around your face, your eye mask. Now you're like closing. You're just closing the open spaces that you left. Like, remember when you were turning it around, you had left an opening, so now you're just closing it. See, now it's done. So the fabric that I used for lining for my face mask was baby diaper cloth, I think, the one that you wash. That's the one I use because it's soft. So for my bonnet, my diameter was 20 inches. So you're going to cut your diameter, your circle diameter, for 20 inches. If you need a pattern for that too, you can just go on Pinterest. There's a lot of patterns on there. And it'll be easier for you if you are a newbie to just get a pattern. But if you're not a newbie, you can just measure 20 inches and then just use a string and a pen and just make a circle. It's very easy. So what I'm doing now, I'm just going to combine my lining fabric and my main fabric. It's just wrong sides together because I'm going to turn it around. When I'm going to turn it in, I said around English. I'm going to turn it inside out after I have sewn it. So you're gonna keep sewing around until you're like really done. And again, to remind you, this is a collaboration with Beautarie, Taviro, my sister from Zimbabwe. And she's an amazing person. She is very talented, and I cannot take that away from her. And you should really go check her channel out. Amazing. Amazing. I'm not even just saying this because I'm saying this because she has a lot of videos that you guys can learn from it. And I really love her channel. I love her channel. Even though I have my own channel, but I love her channel. Like, she has so much that you can learn, and she has put so much videos and too much work on it. So really go there. Appreciate her video. If you go there, just say, oh, I'm from Rural African Shop and she just referred me to you. You know, like, say something like that so I can see that, okay, you really watched my video and went to her channel. So that will really make me happy, and I appreciate that. And I think she would appreciate that too. So you're gonna keep sewing like so. You have to leave an opening, a little opening, because you're gonna have to turn it inside out. So you're gonna have to leave that opening. It's taking time, but hey, it's a whole 20 inches. So when you get to the end, don't forget to leave a little opening because you're going to use that to turn your button inside out. Like I'm doing now, turning it inside out. So if you are a beginner, at this moment you can just go iron your fabric, make it flat for you, make it easy for you to sew it, because if it's like punked up like this, you need it to be flat if you are a beginner, or else you're gonna have a mess. So you're gonna sew like a top stitch, but it's not going to be, it's going to, you have to leave space for elastic. Like you have to know what size of elastic you have, and you're gonna sew that size so that you can be able to put your elastic inside of your lining, because you're gonna put your elastic so that you can be able to wear your bonnet, or else it's just gonna be a flat circle. So as I'm doing now, I'm just sewing around. I have left, it's my my elastic is like an inch, I think. So I have left an inch off, and I sewed from an inch. So you're gonna start putting your elastic in using your safety pin. I didn't show that. I thought I showed that, but that's what you're gonna do. So it's gonna be like that. I mean, there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do this. So mine is two sides. You can use the top side or you can use the inside. It doesn't matter for real, because they both look cute. So now it's done, and your ice mask is done. If you are flying somewhere, this will be a really nice set to take with you, you know, so you don't have to use that. So my girl here, Kiki, is modeling her bonnet, and this is what Tariro made for her friend, and this is really beautiful. You have to go to her channel and to see how she made this. It is so amazing. I am so happy that she did this for her friend. This is way beyond, and it's so amazing. It's like she bought this in a store. I really love it. It is so beautiful. And again, thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys for watching the channel. And please go subscribe to my friend's channel, because she's the best. She does everything with her whole heart in it. This is so amazing. I'm so proud that